Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine and safe by God's grace. Have you all done your homework? Shall we check the previous class assignment answers? First sum, 10.8 meters of cloth cost rupees 392.04. Find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Here many meters given and we have to find out 1 meter of cloth. Many to 1. So here the operation is division. So here this is the solution. Students, check the answer with the solution. So here the answer is the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 36.3. Second sum, a tape of length 27.3 meter is cut into bits of equal lengths. Length of each bit is 1.3 meters. Find the number of bits. Here this is the tape. The total length of the tape is 27.3 meter. Here each bit. So here each bit is 1.3 meters. Here we have to find out the number of bits. So this is the solution. Students, check the answer with the solutions. So here the answer is number of bits is equal to 21. Students, if you go to a fruit shop and buy 1 kg of apples and half kg of pomegranates, the shopkeeper gives you a bill of rupees 165.50. If you bargain to reduce, the shopkeeper reduces the amount to rupees 150. Here, what is the mathematical concept applied in this situation? Yes, it is round off. So, today let us learn the new topic, round off the decimal numbers. Before that, we see the round off the whole numbers. Round off to the nearest 10. Example 1. Round off 347 to the nearest 10. Here the number is 347. Nearest 10 means we look at the ones place. Here in the ones place the number is 7. So we have to compare the 7 with 5. So here 7 is greater than 5. So here the greater than 5. We have to add 1 in the tens place and put 0 in the ones place. So here 3, 4 plus 1, 5. And here we have to put the 0. So the answer is 350. Next example. Round off 19,605 to the nearest 10. Solution. Here also the nearest 10. So we look at the ones place. In the ones place the number is 5. We have to compare this 5 with the 5. So here 5 is equal to 5. Here also we have to add 1 in the tens place and put 0 in the ones place. So here 1 and 9 and here also 6. 0 plus 1 is 1 and we put the 0 here. So the answer is 19,610. Next example. Round off 1592 to the nearest 10. Solution. Here also nearest is 10. So we look at the ones place. In the ones place the number is 2. We have to compare the 2 with the 5. So here 2 is less than 5. In this case less than 5, we have to put 0 in the ones place. So here 1, 5, 9 and here we have to put the 0. So the answer is 1590. Now let us learn round off decimal numbers. First example, round off to the first decimal. Here the number is 15.253. We have to round off to the first decimal. Here the first decimal is 2. We have to round off the first decimal. We look at the 100th place. Here the 100th place is 5. We have to compare the number 5 with the same number 5. Here 5 is equal to 5. In this case, we have to add 1 in the 10th place. So here the answer is 15.3. Next example, round off to the 2 decimal places. The number is 10.8736. Here we have to round off 2 decimal places. So here we look at the 1000th place. In the 1000th place, the number is 3. So here we have to compare the 3 with the 5. So here 3 is less than 5. Here less than 5. So here we no need to add any number in the 100th place. So the answer is 10.87. Write as it is. Next example, round off to the 2 decimal places. The sum is 0.766. Here we have to find out the round off of 2 decimal places. So here 0.766. We look at the 1000th place. Here the number is 6. We have to compare the number 6 with 5. Here 6 is greater than 5. Here 6 is greater than 5. So here we have to add 1 in the 100th place. So here the answer is 0.77. So we have to write the answer 0.77. Students, do the assignment. We shall check the solutions in the next video. Thank you, students.